So what's up? Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Serena, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make caramel pudding very easily at your home. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes every Sunday. So now let's get started. So for this recipe you require 2 cups of milk, then 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and you'll require sugar 5 tablespoons and 4 tablespoons separately, and the last ingredient that you'll require are 5 eggs. Take the eggs, milk, vanilla essence and 5 tablespoons of sugar in a mixer jar. Blend it together for about a minute or two so that it combines together. Here it is done. Take the remaining 4 tablespoons of sugar in a 6-inch round baking tin. At this point of time, you don't actually require to caramelize your sugar in another bowl and then pour it into your cake tin. You can caramelize it directly in your cake tin. Let it cool for some time, then add the pudding batter. Bake the pudding in a preheated oven at 190 degrees for about 60 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Make sure that you bake the pudding in the lowermost rack of your oven. Once your pudding is out of the oven, let it cool completely and then refrigerate it for about 1 hour, which makes it a little firm and makes it easier to demold it. Run a knife through the edges of the tin and then demold it. And here your pudding is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Or you can even send me the pictures of your pudding on Instagram. I will love to see it. And I'll see you in my next video.